Ever wondered how our closest animal relatives, monkeys, come into this world? Is their birthing process similar to ours or entirely different? Well, we're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of primate reproduction. Understanding the birth process of monkeys not only satisfies our curiosity, but also provides invaluable insights into our own biology. It's a thrilling exploration of nature that reveals just how diverse and multifaceted life can be. Stay tuned to understand the amazing journey from conception to birth in monkeys. The journey of a monkey's life starts with the act of mating. But what really happens during this stage? Well, let's unravel this fascinating process. Monkeys, like humans, have their own unique mating rituals. Some species use displays of strength or elaborate gestures, while others may simply present themselves to potential mates. These rituals serve a dual purpose, attracting a mate and signaling fertility. Once a suitable partner is found, the actual process of mating takes place. This can last anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the species. After mating, the real magic happens: conception. Conception is the moment when the male's sperm meets the female's egg, resulting in fertilization. This occurs in the female's reproductive tract, specifically within the fallopian tubes. The fertilized egg, now called a zygote, begins to divide and grow into a group of cells known as a blastocyst. This blastocyst travels down to the uterus, where it implants itself into the uterine lining, marking the beginning of pregnancy. Now, you might be wondering, how is this different from human conception? In truth, the process is remarkably similar. Just like in humans, monkey conception involves fertilization, the development of a zygote, and the implantation of the blastocyst. However, there are a few differences. One significant difference is the gestation period, which is significantly shorter in monkeys. Monkeys also have a higher likelihood of giving birth to multiple offspring at once, known as a litter. This is in contrast to humans, who typically have single births. But regardless of these differences, the basic process of conception remains the same, highlighting the shared biological roots between humans and monkeys. So there you have it. From the initial mating rituals to the miraculous moment of conception, the journey of a monkey's life is a fascinating one, deeply intertwined with our own human story. Once conception has been successful, a new life begins to form, kick-starting the next stage: gestation. After conception, the mother monkey embarks on a journey of nurturing the soon-to-be newborn. But how long does this journey last? Well, the gestation period of monkeys, much like their human counterparts, varies greatly from species to species. For instance, in smaller monkeys, such as macaques and baboons, the gestation period is approximately 5 to 6 months. On the other hand, larger monkeys like orangutans and gorillas have a gestation period that extends to almost 9 months, similar to that of humans. This gestation period is a time of intense change for the mother monkey. Just as in humans, her body undergoes significant transformations to support the development of her offspring. Her belly expands as the baby monkey grows, and her nutritional needs increase to fuel both her own body and the developing fetus. During this period, the mother monkey's behavior also changes. She might become more cautious and protective, distancing herself from potential threats to ensure the safety of her unborn baby. She also begins to spend more time grooming and socializing, both of which are crucial for strengthening social bonds and creating a supportive environment for her soon-to-be newborn. Inside her womb, the baby monkey is growing rapidly. From a tiny, microscopic embryo, it develops into a fully formed monkey, complete with tiny fingers and toes, a beating heart, and a budding brain ready to explore the world. Interestingly, the length of the gestation period in monkeys is often linked to the size and development of the newborn. Longer gestation periods typically result in larger, more developed newborns, while shorter periods lead to smaller, less developed babies. As the end of the gestation period approaches, the anticipation grows. The mother monkey's body prepares for the arduous task of birth, and the baby monkey readies itself for the big, fascinating world outside. Soon it will be time for the baby monkey to make its grand entrance. So, what happens when it's time for the baby monkey to be born? Is it a smooth process or a challenging one? Well, the answer is, like many things in life, it depends. But let's dive into the fascinating world of monkey births and find out for ourselves. Firstly, it's crucial to know that monkeys, much like their human counterparts, tend to prefer privacy during childbirth. This means that the majority of monkeys give birth under the cloak of darkness during the quiet and still hours of the night. This is a time when the rest of the troop is resting, and the mother can focus solely on the task at hand. Now, you might be wondering, do other monkeys lend a helping hand or paw during this process? The answer is, surprisingly, yes. In many monkey species, female relatives or friends, also known as aunts, will stay close to the expectant mother, providing both physical and emotional support during the birthing process. They offer comfort, protection, and even help clean up the newborn. This remarkable show of camaraderie and community is truly one of the wonders of the animal kingdom. But the birthing process is not always a walk in the park. It can be challenging, with labor lasting anywhere from a few hours to a whole day. And just like in humans, the mother monkey experiences contractions, which signals the start of the birthing process. Once the baby monkey is born, the mother will quickly clean it, removing the birth membrane and severing the umbilical cord with her teeth. And there it is. After a gestation period full of anticipation and changes, the moment has finally arrived. The newborn monkey, wet and wide-eyed, clings tightly to its mother. It's a moment of pure magic, a testament to the strength and resilience of Mother Nature. After a journey full of anticipation and changes, a new monkey life is welcomed into the world. The birth of a baby monkey is just the beginning. What happens after the birth? The moments following birth are crucial for the survival of the newborn monkey. The mother immediately begins to clean and groom her baby, removing any remnants of the birth process. This not only helps to keep the infant monkey clean and healthy, but also strengthens the bond between mother and child. In the wild, mother monkeys are the primary caregivers, providing constant care and protection for their newborns. They carry their babies everywhere they go, ensuring they're safe from predators and other potential dangers. The baby clings to its mother, learning about its environment and picking up essential survival skills. But it's not just the mother who looks after the newborn. The entire monkey community plays an essential role in the care of the young. Other females in the group, often siblings or relatives of the mother, also take turns caring for the baby. They help with grooming, feeding, and even playing, contributing to the social development of the newborn. From the moment of birth, these baby monkeys are thrust into a world of learning and growing, supported and protected by their mother and their community. From conception to birth, the journey of a monkey's life is full of fascinating stages. Understanding these stages not only gives us insight into the life of our primate relatives, but also reflects the miracles of nature itself.